Time news this evening. Step aside. Private sector organization and the Chamber of Commerce join advocacy groups demanding the resignation of embattled MP George Wright. Heading to court, the latest in the Dry Harbor Mountain impasse. And horrid honeymoon, gun-bearing police couple under investigation.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening we have the top business stories of the day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the image being circulated on social media with two members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force posing with weapons at their wedding reception? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.